We got the inspiration for these steaky chips with peppercorn sauce from a little beach cafe near us. We sometimes get it for a treat lunch and it is absolutely delicious. Just regular oven fries, but topped with strips of juicy steak and that classic peppercorn sauce. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the chips. So we want to place a kilo of frozen oven chips on a baking tray and place in a preheated oven at 200°C and cook as per the pack instructions, which is usually about 20 to 25 minutes. When the chips have got about 15 minutes left to cook, we're going to make the steak and peppercorn sauce. So heat a large frying pan over a high heat. Now I've got two 300g or 10.5-ounce ribeye steaks here that I've removed from the refrigerator 30 minutes before cooking. And we're going to drizzle over 2 tablespoons of oil and rub that in. And we're also going to sprinkle on half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper onto both sides. Now place the steaks in the hot pan and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning every minute. That should give you a nice medium steak. Once the steaks are cooked to your liking, remove from the pan and place on a plate and cover to rest. Now add a tablespoon of unsalted butter to the pan you cook the steaks in and reduce the heat down to medium. Once that butter's melted, we're going to add in 2 finely chopped shallots, 4 teaspoons of lightly crushed black peppercorns and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the shallots start to soften. Now we want to deglaze the pan, so add 180ml or 3/4 cup of beef stock and a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. We're going to stir all that together, scraping up any of those lovely tasty bits from the bottom of the pan. Bring it to the boil and simmer rapidly for about 4 or 5 minutes until reduced by half. Now pour in 120ml or half a cup of double or heavy cream. Plus we're going to add the resting juices from the steak and stir it all together. Slice the steak into thin slices and then add to the sauce, stir together and turn off the heat. Now pile up those chips on plates or on a large tray and topped with those steak strips. And then we're going to drizzle over that lovely peppercorn sauce and sprinkle with some fresh parsley. Now just look at that juicy, tender, flavourful steak, all smothered in that beautiful, warming peppercorn sauce. And there you go, that's my steaky chips with creamy peppercorn sauce. I love to put it on a great big tray like this, put it in the middle of the table and watch everyone try to fight Chris for the most steak. It's definitely Chris's favourite meal out of the whole book from my new book, Quick and Easy. And as it happens, the kids are at school at the moment, so this is just for me and Chris for lunch today, so we're really going to enjoy it. See you next time.